Look at the words given below and find these A sound words in the given grid. One has been done for you. The spelling is black. The spelling is black. Here are some more spellings, children, which you have to find. And the first spelling, it is already done in your book. The next spelling is bad. Let's find it. B-A-D, bad. Here it is. B-A-D, bad. The next spelling is day. D-A-Y, day. After that, mat. M-A-T, mat. After that, the next spelling is lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Children, find with me. Then only you will feel easy. Way. W-A-Y, way. The next spelling is dam. D-A-M, dam. Let's find late. Where it is? Here it is. L-A-T-E, late. After that, hat. H-A-T, hat. Next is map. M-A-P, map. Here it is. Play. P-L-A-Y. Okay. Here it is. The spelling of play. Next, tail. T-A-I-L, tail. After that, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Okay. After that, last, L-A-P, lap. And here it is, the last spelling, lap. Children, you have to complete this page with pencil only, like this. The next question is, look at these pictures and complete the words by filling the vowel A. J-A-I-L, jail. F-A-N, fan. C-H-A-I-N, chain. M-A-P, map. B-R-A-I-N, brain. T-R-A-I-N, train. Children, you have to fill that A with pencil only. Okay? See how I have done? Like this. With pencil you have to fill. As it is shown in the picture, children, you have to complete this page in this manner only. Now you will learn how to write small letters in cursive handwriting, which you have learnt in your previous class. And in this video, you are going to learn these letters in small cursive writing. So let's start. Open your copy, children, and do the work with sharp pencil in your English copy. These are some letters, children, which you have learnt how to write in your previous videos. First of all, I will write the date. Children, you will write today's date, which is that day's date. I am writing today's date, like 4th June 2020. And you will write that date. On that date, on which day you will do that work, that date you will write here. Okay? आप जिस दिन ये वर्क करेंगे उस दिन का डेट यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. I am writing today's date here, 4th June 2020. And after that, I will mention C dot W dot. Understood? From here we will write. Okay? So let's start. Take a slanting line, make an A, and with that A, take a slanting line to the fourth line, red line, and curve it to the third line. This is Q. After Q, we are going to make R. take a slanting line and from the back turn it and make a reverse C. This is R. After that S. We will make S. Take a slanting line, curve it from the back and turn it reverse. Set it on the third line and make a slanting line like this. After that T. Take a slanting line towards the fourth line, top line, and take that line to the third line. Turn it here and cross it from here. This is T. So Q R S T. Practice with me, children. Q. One slanting line, make an A, and from that A take a slanting line to the fourth line and curve it, and that curved line take to the third line. This is Q. After that R. Slanting line from the back, turn it and then make a reverse C. This is R. Then after that S. Slanting line, curve it from the back, again turn it from the back side and set it on the third line, and from this portion you will take a slanting line like this. This is S. After that take a slanting line towards top line and take that line straight towards third line and turn it and cross it here. This is T. So this is your small cursive letters Q R S T, and you know here you will write date. Today's date is 4th, month is 6th, June is the 6th month, and year is 2020. 4th June 2020. Here you will write C.W. Children, you will do this work in your copy with the help of your parents. And you will do this work very neatly, nicely and properly in the whole page of your English copy. Okay, children? This is your writing book, children, and the name of your writing book is Art of Writing. Now we will do handwriting practice in this book. This is page number 25 in your English handwriting book. Okay, and first you will trace this E like this nicely, and before tracing, children, you will write date here. On which date you will do the work, you will write that date. I am writing 4th June 2020. Okay, and after writing the date and tracing this E, you will start your work from this dotted E. Understood? And you will make all the E's are given here and like this also. Understood? This is tracing work, children. You have to run the pencil on the dots. See, like this. When you will complete this work, tracing those E's, after that you will start from here. I am writing one E like this, and you will complete like this full page. Understood? Children, After E, all of you open page number 27, which is F. Understood? Then after that, write here date 4th June 2020 like this. Then after that, trace this F nicely. See how I am doing? Like this. After tracing this F, children, write these dotted Fs like this. See how I am doing? Like this. And complete all these dotted Fs, upper line and side line. And then write from here. One F I have written, and you all know, children, how to write F. In your previous class you have learned this. See how I am writing this? This letter is F. Understood? Then now, and yes children, color this fan according to the picture. Now open next page, which is page number 29. And here G is given on page number 29. Trace this G nicely as I am tracing like this. Children, before tracing that G, you always write date here as I have mentioned. Okay. Then after mentioning date, tracing this G, you will write starting from here. Upper line and side line. These are dotted G's, children. See how I am doing? You have to run the pencil on dots and it will be a G. Then you will complete this upper line and side line, and then you will write starting from here. Okay. One G I have written. Then after that again I am writing to show you how you will write this letter G. Children, you will feel easy because you are knowing these letters how to write. You have learnt in your previous class. And color this goat according to the picture. Children, after G, we will write H. Open page number 31 and trace this H in your book very nicely. Understood? And after tracing this H, write the date here. Okay, children? Then after that, you will start writing from this side. These are dotted H's and you have to complete these upper line and this side line. And then starting from here, we will write H. Two H's, as you can see, I have written. Now, this one I am going to show you how you will write this H. See, this is small cursive H. Children, you will complete this whole page like this. Complete these dotted H's, running pencil on those, and then write with pencil here in the full page H's, and color this helicopter according to the picture like this. Okay, children? And you have to do coloring work after writing this full page. Whatever coloring work is given here, you will complete this writing work, then only you will do coloring work. Bye-bye. Dear parents, help your ward to do all these works neatly, nicely and properly.